Hello guys, there is where the most interesting part begins. You will now set up development environment and start creating your very first smart contract. First of all, you need to write code somewhere, right? I used Visual Studio Code for this, but you can use whatever IDE you prefer, of course. Moreover, looking ahead, I should say that you can even do not use code editor at all, as everything can be done in online editor. You will use it in further lectures. I will show how to prepare Visual Studio Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com and press download for Mac big green button. Wait for download and install it. I've already downloaded and installed it, so you can proceed without me. I would also recommend to install Solidity extension for it. You can find instruction in resources. Go and install it. That's it. You can develop your smart contracts right now, but I would recommend you to use very helpful frameworks which will make your life a lot easier. In order to get them, you need to get NPM. NPM stands for Node Package Manager for JavaScript, and it's the world's largest software registry. NPM is written in Node.js, so you need to install Node.js in order to use NPM. You can install NPM via Node.js website. In order to install it, go to docs.npmjs.com/getting-started/installing Node. Go to point 1 and then go to Node.js download page. Download appropriate version of Node and install it. After installation, check if everything is fine by running commands node-v and npm.v in your console. I'll show you now. Then go to console and write these commands to be sure that everything is fine. If everything were installed properly, console will show you versions of Node and npm respectively. The first framework you have to know about is Truffle. Go to truffleframework.com. Truffle is the most popular development environment for Ethereum with a mission to make your life easier. Truffle is used for contract compilation, linking, deployment, and binary management. You can use it for automated contract testing, for rapid development, writing scripts for deployment and migrations, and many other things. You can take a look at documentations and tutorial for more information. And now let's install it. Please open your console and run the following command: npm install-g truffle. It will install Truffle globally on your machine. I gathered all these useful links in one file so you can download them in resources. The second one is open-zeppelin. Go to open-zeppelin.org. Open-zeppelin is an open framework of reusable and secure smart contracts in the Solidity language. With open-zeppelin, you can build distributed applications, protocols, and organizations using common contract security patterns in the Solidity language. In simple words, it's a library that gives you access to already built verified smart contracts, which you can easily extend for your purposes. Now let the show begin. Let's create a new smart contract. Go to your console and in your preferable directory do the following: mkdir my token to create a new directory, cd my token to enter this directory, Truffle init to initialize Truffle features, npm init-y to initialize node project and to create package.json file, and finally npm install-e Zeppelin Solidity to install Zeppelin Solidity library. That's it. In the next lecture, you will understand the file structure that was created during installation and finally develop your contract. You can now just go to your Visual Studio Code editor and check this directory by your own.